All right, so to figure out where this thing's greater than zero, let's find out if there's any spots that'll make the denominator equal to zero. And that would be if x is zero. So if x is zero, this would be a zero denominator. That would give you an asymptote. That would be a potential point there. On the top, you're trying to figure out what would make this equal to zero, and there shouldn't be any points because the only way for this to be zero, actually, there's one point, -5. Because -5 plus 5 would be zero. Zero squared is zero. So -5 is my other point. Anything else, there's no other way to make this zero other than for this to be -5. All right, so let's look at our regions now. If I look at something down here like -10, no matter what I plug in here, -10 is going to be squared. So this is going to be positive on the top. In the bottom, if I plug in -10, that's -30, so that's negative. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. Okay, so this is obviously not going to be greater than zero if it's negative. If we try our next region, let's say -1, for example. Well, this is still going to be positive because anything squared is positive, even if it's, well, in this case, it's 4 squared that's positive. Plug -1 down here, that's -3, that's negative. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. So we're still negative. So far, we're not greater than zero yet. This last region, though, if I pick like a 1, positive 1, this is going to be 6 squared, that's positive. That's going to be 3, that's positive. Positive divided by positive is positive. So in this case, we will be greater than zero as long as we are greater than zero. Zero to infinity. That's the region where we have positive solutions. And it's an open parenthesis because it's not equal to, it's just greater than. Also, zero is undefined because it will make the denominator zero.